So add player. So is that everything now? We're setting up their linked level, their linked experience. Wait, wasn't there one more value, like their linked equipment or something? Linked equip, yeah. Where do we set that? Where do we set it for the player? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So... Oh, no, I guess we don't really keep track of it in that way. E-level... E-level... Yeah. Okay, so I'm keeping track of level. Oh, I'm keeping track of level in that way. So actually, I guess I don't really have to keep track of this extra. Because I'm already keeping track of level as a maximum of the two things. So I don't need to keep track of that separately because, yeah, that will always be the same as the linked level. Or it'll always correspond to the linked level, so we can just use the linked levels to look up that value in the table where we keep that value. Excuse me. So, that might be satisfactory then. For loading in the character. So then the other thing that we'll do is for when we add experience for the character, we'll also add experience for the linked character. So that will be very similar. We'll do this. We'll check this stuff the same. So once we're done adding experience, we shall do this. Alright, so if linked, then... Yeah, how much... Are we going to do like this whole thing again? Like all this stuff? Can we skip over some of it? I mean, we do sort of skip over some of the slots ordering stuff, but it'd be nice if we could skip over more of this. I would like it if we could skip over more of this. I mean, worst case scenario, we just do literally all of this again. But I feel like some of it's got to be slightly redundant. So, I guess for starters, I'll just copy it over and then just as I go, I'll trim out the things that we don't need. So, yeah, indent all this stuff, unindent this thing. Alright, so linked experience equals that. So linked underscore is going to be the primary thing that's changing, and that I'll be adding it a bunch of places. Linked e-experience, if linked e-experience is greater than experience level, player dictionary name linked level +1, player name linked level +1, LQ, nope, not that. Not that either. Not that either. OTOP. Yes, we do this. Wait. Oh. Level A. No. Oh, that's interesting. Players don't gain multiple levels anymore. They can only gain one level at a time. Which is a little weird, but also a little bit fine. Because they'll gain the next level as soon as possible. Like you can still gain experience equivalent to multiple levels. So you just don't actually gain 2 levels right in a row. You gain 1 level and then you gain the other level. All right. So OTOP. Oh yeah. So this whole lup thing, we can get rid of that. Wait, OTOP. What is OTOP? Oh, it's not what I thought it was. No, OTOP is not important. We can get rid of all of this stuff. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, interesting. Alright, yeah. Get rid of all this. Yeah, I knew a lot of this is going to be redundant. Print was print. I have no clue. We can get rid of it too. Gear list equals. Oh yeah, this we can't do. But we also don't need to do it, right? Yeah. For li and slots list. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, right. So what we need to do is oh, gear list 01. Huh. Slots ordered. Slots ordered. Index li. Player dictionary. Gear list equals 0, 1. Gear list dot append item. Oh yeah. Oh, interesting. Alright, so what we actually need to do here is equips item dot level. Oh. So is this going to be harder? Yeah, I could get rid of this part. This is the thing earlier I was saying. I could make the equipment component. Yeah, I should just make the equipment component optional instead of having to calculate this stuff, because this. Oh yeah, no, it'd just be kind of annoying to do that. Actually? No. What if gear list equals blah 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 whatever. Gear list dot append gear list. Yeah, no. This is actually fine. T-equip equals gear list, and then pf path. There's so this is where we switch over to using linked instead of name, because for the file path we're going with the linked character, not with the name. So yeah, if it doesn't exist, we make it with open pf path. It's pdata write player dictionary name. Oh yeah, so linked level and t-equip. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, wait. Oh yeah, right. So if we're keeping this, this has to be linked level as well. If we're keeping this whole section. Yeah. All right, that's fine. Good then. So then player's name. Oh, again, yeah, this is not player's name, this is player's linked. And, oh yeah, so then finally we append linked underscore to a bajillion things. Because level experience. Oh no, level experience. I don't think we care about level experience. Oh no, we do have to calculate it. So we don't need to remember it, we just need to calculate it just briefly. Right? Yeah. Yeah, we'll just calculate it for a moment. And then right? Because we need to use it in calculating level percentage. So, right. Oops, did I? No, that's correct. All right. All right, get rid of that. Save that. Experience level. Player name. Yeah. So again, level. It's actually linked level. Level is linked level. Level percentage integer. Oh. So I think level percentage can become greater than 1 again. So I'm guessing that notify that I put, or not notify, the print that I put in for the case where level percentage can get higher than 100%. Nah, it won't ever really happen. It could hypothetically though. Alright, so yeah, and this is linked level percentage. We don't care about the integer version anymore. Or not for this player. Alright, and then we write out using pfPath, which we set with the linked player's name. We save out linked experience, linked level percentage, and passive points. Yeah, that's fine. Nah, let's save out just 0. Because passive points are like a whole different creature. The string version of 0. Or which I can just do, I can put 0 in quotes. Okay. Oh, and I can just merge these together. Alright. Alright, save that. Cool. Cool. And that's done now? That's that now. Yeah. Alright, I should, I'm gonna bring the script down so I can restart the script. And I just saved all the, player data. So should anything go wrong, we can restore it quite handily. And so I'll leave that down for just a second. Actually, I can. No, yeah, I'll just leave it down for a second. And I guess, yeah. So in order to check that this worked, I should link my account. Oh yeah, so I should link my account. I'll just link it manually instead of linking it through the system, through the game systems. Link.txt, yes. So, oh yeah. So let's delete this one, and then 60 blah 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 whatever. This is oh it wasn't linked. All right, so binary. Actually, I'll just link it manually. So pending binary. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I need to do this when I link the accounts too. Because when I link the accounts, when I link the accounts, I'll have to load in that like linked data and stuff like that, because otherwise it won't be there to begin with. I don't have to do it when unlinking accounts, right? I only have to do it when linking accounts, because when unlinking accounts, that data doesn't do anything. When accounts are unlinked, that data doesn't do anything, and when if the account gets linked again, that data will get overwritten. So like when we unlink, it wouldn't be a bad idea to clear out that data, but it also wouldn't be necessary, not strictly necessary. Alright, so save that, and then yeah, I'll just right, so it's more akin to the loading data section, so I'll just go, or it's more akin to the adding player section. So where was that? Add player. So this whole bit about linked, I'll just borrow this, because it should be exactly this. It should be the exact same thing again. Doop-a-doop. Copy that. So when we linked the account, where was the account linking thing? It's further down, I think. Yeah, link account. So once we link the accounts, excuse me. Right, we'll do this basically, except the difference is we don't have to check for linked actually, because we know who's who. We know it's winner and we know it's loser. So instead of referencing yeah, so wherever we reference linked here, oh yeah, so no, we can get rid of all of this stuff actually. Oh yeah, we can get rid of all of this stuff because we know we have to do it actually. It's not even in a conditional statement. So oh yeah, I can get rid of this print too because it's just not. Alright. So shift tab. Alright. So so we open up what do we look here? Oh, we look for loser actually. Oh yeah, so not winner, loser. Because we're loading in loser's data and appending it to winner. So everywhere we had linked, we want to replace linked with loser. Oops. Not the whole line, just this row. Was it just those two? And every time where we had name, we want to have winner instead. So name. Sorry, moment of silence as I slap this in all over the place. Alright, so yeah, I think that's, let me just double check. So if OS path exists, EF path, yeah, this is fine. Hypothetically, the loser could actually be in the game, in which case it would be quicker to read this data from the character. So actually, yeah, I guess this could be the else case. But then we should probably also do this Nah, this is fine. Right? Yeah, because we removed the loser from the player dictionary before we add the player to the player dictionary. Because we set up the links. I don't know if we necessarily have to do that, but this is fine. Linking doesn't happen very often. And okay, so now when I run the script, none of the new code paths should fire immediately. But once I well, maybe. Oh wait, no, yeah, some of them do. Sure, of course, some of them do. What is not defined? Oh, right. Wait, what? Experience to level is not defined. Global name experience to level is not defined. What are you talking about? Experience to level. Is that not what I called it? What did I call it? Oh, exp at level. Pardon. Whoops. Alright, find exp to level and replace. I think I did this in a lot of places. Edit, replace. Where's replace? Find, replace. Okay, so exp at level. Yeah. Alright, so start from the top. And let's step through these cases. XP at level, XP at could have just done the other one. It would have been quicker if I just changed the other name. um, but there we go. All right. So save that. Let's try this. Run this. See what it does now. Better? Nope, not yet. Linked, referenced before assignment. Yes, that's true. I forgot one line. Linked equals nothing. Yeah. Getting there. Making progress. Hey, speaking of progress. Alright, so now the alright, so I guess hypothetically some of that, no, a lot of that hadn't hey, I'm sorry for mispronouncing your name, Kamargini. I'm sorry for mispronouncing your name, but hey, good evening to you. Welcome. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna say my I'm saying my Twitter handle in chat is at srsly_bz. Not because I'm trying to plug my Twitter account. I guess technically I kind of am, but no, that's the command to link the accounts. So when I enter that command, it'll fire down that other code path, and so we get to see if I have any other delightful crashes hanging around or if it actually works. Oh yeah, for some reason the enter key doesn't input that text. Yeah, link successful. Linked. Okay, so that seems legit. That seems like we're doing okay now. I really wish I could. Oh no, yeah. One of the nice things about Spider, the IDE I was using this morning, was that I could what was it? I could like oh wow, Lauren is a full-fledged mystic. Got the pendant and everything. Oh yeah, no, the one that I was using this morning, I could check, like, it was kind of nice that I could like view the variables that like as the script was running, I could basically like browse and just like check out what is the value of any given variable at any given time. Apparently there's kind of like a way that I can do it in here hypothetically, but I was like looking up online how to do it and it was not being very clear. It'd be nice to know though, because I don't know, sometimes it's just nice to check on that stuff to see that everything's working correctly. So I mean I can check here. This should now say binary, and this should say this should say linked, and then point back to the other file. Yeah. All right. Cool. Yeah. So I'll assume that's working, I guess, because why not? And like that. That's so okay. Oh, actually. Hypothetically, to test like the other code path, I could leave the game and rejoin the game. But in order to do that, I would actually have to leave chat, and I don't want to leave chat unattended right now. So I can check that later. I'm sure next time I rerun the script, that code path will fire, and I'll find out. So I don't have to wait long to find out. Is the good news. Yeah. So I'm not gonna call that done yet. I'm gonna let testing shake it out a little longer, but that should work. So now my accounts are linked, and so both accounts are gaining experience. And if I ever unlink the accounts, they'll both have benefited from that experience, I guess. Excuse me. Yeah. So then, what do I want to do next? Oh yeah, breaking tweets at punctuation. That I'm gonna call done, because I tested that enough that I'm satisfied with it. Oh, one thing I haven't tested though is replacing, like actually sending the text, because like hypothetically when I actually send the text, it's supposed to replace the underbar. Oh, actually, now that I think about it, I think it's probably actually going to do something slightly weird. Yeah, because when I send the text, okay, yeah, right. So I added in those ellipses. I added in the underscores so that because it wouldn't let me add in the ellipses. The underscores are basically supposed to represent ellipses. Ellipses, ellipsi. I don't know. I don't know what the plural of that is. Um, but so yeah. So and then like when I actually send the text, I convert them to. I convert them over, right? However, intro string. Yeah. Intro string just concatenates those together. I should probably get rid of the ellipses because otherwise the ellipses would show up in chat, and I don't want them to show up in chat. I only want them to show up in the cases where it gets sent to Twitter. Yeah. All right. So that's what doesn't I like about that. It doesn't seem to like this. Oh no, there it goes. All right. PyCharm seems to like hold a grudge for like 4 or 5, like 5 to 7 seconds. Like after you fix something, it keeps the error line around for a while. Whatever that's about. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. Good. Now that's done. Now that's done and working. Probably. I mean, I still haven't technically tested it. Technically, but I'm pretty sure it would. I don't imagine that would mess anything up. I mean, it could, but if it does, I don't want to find out right now. Hey, Awesome Dude X, how's it going? Welcome. Um, so, I could do link confirmation. Yeah, why not? I could test that too. Uh, do I do teaching streams at all? I kind of think that all my streams are teaching streams. What do you mean by that? Because like the whole point of the stream is like for educational purposes, or like one of the whole points of the stream is for educational purposes. So, oh, do you mean like like my stuff is all real? Like this isn't like fake game dev. This is like literally real game dev. So if you have questions, like feel free to ask. I yeah, no, I mean what you're seeing is me making games. So oh, C sharp. Yeah, I sometimes do C sharp. I don't know when I'll do it again. I if you check my archives, like I have a lot of C sharp dev in there, but yeah, I'm working in Python now, and my next project is actually written in C sharp, but I'm thinking of porting it to Hacks. If I ever start on it, my next project has been in progress for like ever, and I don't know. I keep saying I'm going to start on it soon, but yeah, if you have questions about C sharp, I'm happy to answer. But yeah, I probably won't be working in it today. Uh, so yeah, link confirmation. I guess I'll do that. Yeah, and that's actually, I mean that's like the last thing that I need to do to like call this one done. So like once I finish that, I'm basically like I've basically cleared my queue once more. Uh, because like the link confirmation, I mean technically I could call this done. It's just not fully tested yet. It'll be pretty fully tested by the time I'm done this other stuff though. So yeah, sure. Okay. Let's so how do we do this? When the link confirmation is successful. Uh, oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this will. Yeah. Okay. I'm really so okay. So what I'm about to add is Trusty Bard is going to let players know when their account confirmation is when the accounts are successfully linked. Um, uh, the thing that I'm really nervous about is accidentally like getting. So yeah. So in order to do that, in order to let people know, he actually has to reply, and he's gonna reply through Twitter, and I'm nervous about it because like if I mess this up, Trusty Bard could get banned from Twitter because you're not supposed to spam people. That's like against the rules. So I got to be careful how I implement this. I got to make sure I'm doing it right. All right, so link accounts. I was just looking at that section. So, where was it? It was like right around here somewhere. Oh no, it's further down. This place? Link accounts. All right, so yeah. All right, so where is it? Right. So it's the part where we actually. Well, I guess I can do it anywhere in here, as long as I do it in the part where. Oh yeah. So maybe. Oh, so I might want to add in. I might want to add in the part where I actually check to make sure the link. I should probably put in something so that Trusty Bard doesn't accidentally spam. So I could just put in like a delay or like a. No, yeah, I'll just say. All right, so Twitch half, Twitter half. I'll say if. I can't really assume the Twitch half or the Twitter half already exist necessarily in the link dictionary. I mean, I can assume that one of them does, but I don't know which one. So like if Twitch half in link dictionary. Oh, so global link dictionary. Also, this will be so if Twitch half in link dictionary dot keys and Twitch half dot link or no oops link dictionary index Twitch half equals Twitter half. Basically, I'm just checking if they're already linked together. Because if the account is already linked together, then there's no point in doing any of this business. Previously, we were doing it redundantly, but now that we're tweeting about it, I just don't want to even not even go there. All right. So Twitch half in link dict keys, link dict Twitch. Oh yeah. So or the opposite. So Twitter half in link dict keys and so Twitter half. Oops. Twitter half in link dict keys and link dict Twitter half equals Twitch half. And actually, I actually want the negation of this. So I actually want to say not and not. Yeah. So it's not the case that Twitch half is in the link dictionary and link dictionary Twitch half equals Twitter half. And it's not the case that Twitter half is in the link dictionary and link dictionary Twitter half equals Twitch half. Wait, what? Yeah. Not and not. Both of those are false. I know one of the first halves have to evaluate to true, because either Twitch half is in the dictionary or Twitter half is in the dictionary. So one of the first halves of those has to evaluate to true. So it'll check at least one of the second halves. Yeah. I think that should be legit. Okay, and then, so that's basically the condition for basically all of this. All of the things conditioned. So yeah, we're saving a lot of time by not having to do that. So, yeah. Uh, so just like one other thing that I'm gonna do, just in. All right. So like hypothetically, if a player unlinks their account and relinks their account, right now, like they might end up getting like a redundant, like duplicative message, and I don't. I mean, it'd be like I I just don't want. I just really don't want Trusty Bard to get banned for spamming. So I'm thinking I should add like a list of phrases or something, like just like basically other things that Trusty Bard will say in this, like in addition to like, oh yeah, so for example, when a player becomes GM, like Trusty Bard uh chooses a random adjective and describes the player, like the GM, as like daring or like brave or like dauntless, or like, it just like something in that vein. And so it's like the message is slightly different. So I feel like I should do something like that, just so that I don't actually accidentally tweet the exact same thing multiple times. I feel like I should do that. So I'm just trying to think of like how to do that set in a way that would like that I don't have to worry about it. So I might do a little bit of like overkill, I guess, kind of, but whatever. Um, so I should figure out the phrasing of this so that I can know what to. Excuse me. So I could. Oh, excuse me. Um, uh, I should write I should write most of the message first before I start working on like the tech in the message. All right, so I'll tweet it at the end, I guess, just in case anything goes wrong and it like doesn't actually successfully link the two accounts or something. So the last thing that will happen is Twitter. Do I have to do like global Twitter, or it won't know what Twitter I'm talking about? I don't know. Twitter. It'll probably figure it out. Dot post update. Post update. Oh yeah, this message should be relatively short too, because just in case the maximum like, because the maximum length of a no, there's maximum lengths to both the Twitter names and Twitch names. So I'll just need to make sure that in case someone with a maximum length Twitter name and a maximum length Twitch name link their accounts, that both of those strings fit, or the whole thing fits. All right, so it's post update. Congratulations. So maybe the thing that will change a lot is excuse me. So like the message is supposed to say something along the lines of like congratulations. So maybe the congratulations part will be the part that I vary up, like, because there are a ton of ways to say congratulations, I guess. Congratulations. Congratulations, and then that'll be so then plus. Excuse me. Sorry. Handle. Yeah, handle is the Twitter name. So congratulations plus handle. Uh, oh wait, handle is handle lower? I think handle is lowercase. Uh. Oh yeah, I keep that data at lowercase. Maybe I shouldn't. I mean, I could look up that information if I wanted to. Currently, I'm pretty sure I'm storing that data lowercase. Let me double check. Because I'm storing handles. Oh, yeah, no, I totally am, right? Because I'm even like, hmm. The, oh, I kind of, I mean, I don't have to, but like, I kind of have to. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm actually preserving capitalization here. Interesting. Wait, what if I had a file called uh, uh, lowercase untrusty bard? Would it let me? Oh no, it would. Okay, it would say there is a conflict there. It would say there's a conflict there. All right, so that's legit, I guess. Huh. What happens if programmatically I tried to write a file called untrusty bard lowercase u lowercase b? I wonder what that would do. I mean, I guess I could test that. Might as well. So file new Python file uh, saving case. So write or with open blur. Oh yeah, where are these files getting saved anyways? File save as. No. Is it? It's not actually saving that there, is it? Oh, what the heck? You jerk. Why would you save that there? I did not tell you to save that there. No. Save this to like, I don't know, like, like, I guess I'll make a test folder. No, I don't need to keep this stuff around. I'll just I'll put it at the same place I used to put stuff. What was it? It was like, users, Ben, documents, Python scripts, yeah. Save it there. Alright, shut up. File not found. Shut up. what, what an idiot. Alright, for like a quote unquote like good, wait, what? No, wait. File, new, Python file. Yes, Python file. Saving case. Did you save it to the wrong folder again? Oh, you freaking did, didn't you? Oh, wow. This... Yeah, there's some really stupid stuff about this program. Oh, man. Isn't that the worst? When, instead of being, like, good, a program is just, like, immensely horrible instead. For no good reason. No, it's like, it's funny how, you, I don't know, like, even, I don't know, like, every program does, like, even, like, with competitive products, like, for every competitor, there's like, something that it does right. So, like, oh, my freaking cripes. Why would you do that? I just, like, it has this stupid bar where I can, like, look up file paths, and, like, I looked up exactly the file path that I want. Oh, man. Project. Yeah, PyCharm and its stupid sense of, like, project, like, No, no, PyCharm. No, not at all. Why would you think that? Alright, I might be a little bit unnecessarily harsh about this, but I just literally don't know how to save a file right now to a different location because I tried to like save it and then clean it up, but it like freaked out when I did that. So I don't even know right now. Maybe I just can't do that. I just can't do that in in PyCharm. It's just like not a possibility. Saving case. Tell me, ask me where I want to save it. Ask me where I want to save it, you jerk. Because if you assume where I want to save it, you're probably wrong. Because you assumed here, and you were dead wrong. So annoying. What is this sugig? Oh. I think I made that earlier. In PyCharm. When PyCharm was being... whatever. Alright. I just want to run a stupid test. I just want to run a simple stupid test. And yet... Why? Why can't I just run a simple stupid test? Wait, what? Edit configurations? What do you think? What are you... Oh, PyCharm. It's almost as if it's trying to be clever. Almost. Alright, I will close the... If I close the project, it's probably going to stop running. I don't want to close the project. I don't even want to try closing the project because I'm pretty sure it's going to stop running if I close the project. New project. No, that'll probably close it too. I still don't want a new project. Wow. Wow. I'm blown away. Seriously? What if I just wanted to put this file in a different folder? I can't even do that. Like, I can't even... Alright. Let me try this again. Users, Ben, documents, Python scripts. Now stay here. Don't... That is freaking ridiculous. That is so, like, just torrentially dumb. I'm sorry, but it is. It really is. Right. I can get through this. Whatever. I'll just litter stupid stuff that no one likes in stupid places, and everything's stupid, especially PyCharm, and nothing is stupid except for PyCharm, which is completely stupid. Alright. So what was I even checking? I was gonna save case to see what happens if I with open stupid data.txt comma w uh, oh, as s data. What do I do here? Oh yeah, so s data dot write first, and then same thing again. Except changing the case of stupid data .txt, right, second. So what happens if I run this? Oh, it's not slash w, it's just w. Derps. Whoops, what am I doing? There we go. Save that. Run. Alright, so what's the result? Stupid data. Huh. It didn't change the file name. But it does say second. So that's interesting. Not my favorite outcome. I was kind of hoping it would, if it was gonna, I mean, it's not my least favorite outcome either. Because the least favorite outcome would be like a weird error or something. But like, it also didn't change the file name. So like, how do you update the file name? Do you have to delete the old file? I don't know. Yeah, I was hoping to use that for purposes of capitalization, but maybe not. I wonder if it will change it automatically. Like if I use the wrong capitalization, I wonder if it'll change it for me. I'm gonna test this real quick. Just gonna on Twitter's, I'm going to whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna test this real quick. I will miscapitalize. Oh wait, actually, hold on. Maybe I've done this already. Let me double check. So if I check the notification center for mentions of Trusty Bard, they're all capitalized correctly, but that might just be because they were all capitalized correctly. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna try making an incorrect one. See if it works. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so switch over to @srsly_bz and tweet at lowercase t trusty underscore bard. Actually, I'll make it even weirder. Yeah. We'll try tweeting that and see what happens. No, it definitely doesn't correct it. So, yeah. Yeah, right. So it's like all weird and dumb. So, yeah. Delete that. Alright. So, I don't want to get it wrong, and I don't want to look it up. So my options are to have kept track of it so that I could get it right, or I could change how I'm passing it in. Oh yeah, I can delete that data now. I really don't need to be keeping that around. Although I like keeping my test files around, but apparently because PyCharm is a jerk, I can't. In a convenient manner. Alright, so, yeah. Let me see how I'm passing in this data. Because, oh, yeah. Wait a second. Now that I think about it, oh yeah, sometimes there is no handle value. Wait, how does that work? Uh, oh, sorry. 1 second. Excuse me. All right. So, yeah, I guess I have to divine it just from the Twitter name, because yeah, if I'm linking the account through Twitch, then uh, it if I'm linking the account through Twitch, it doesn't. Wait, what? Oh, unlink account. Yeah, link account, unlink account, blah blah blah. All right. If I'm linking the account through Twitch, yeah, I don't actually pass through the Twitter handle. Although I have the Twitter handle right here, so I could. There's no reason I couldn't. Hmm. Oh no, but I use the Twitter. Do I actually use the Twitter handle for any particular purpose? Other than, what do I use the handle for? um, what do I use the handle for? Oh, yeah, right, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, so yeah, no, I shouldn't. So, I could just look up their handle, or I could just get the capitalization wrong. I get the capitalization potentially wrong. Uh, Not necessarily wrong though. Hold on, how come the capitalization wasn't consistent here when I looked at like for the data that had been generated so far in the Twitter dictionary? Because like untrusty bar had capitalized, but the rest of them were lowercase. Whereas, oh, maybe the rest of them actually are lowercase. Uh, hmm. So maybe this is actually accurate. Hmm. Uh, all right. So I think I'm just gonna. Oh, cripes. No, maybe I should just look it up. Maybe I should just look it up. I mean, I have a limited number of calls that I can do. Like, I can only look up users so frequently. So it's generally better to keep this data around. Ah, huh. Yeah, I technically should have this data. So, all right. So let me just switch this around. Handle. Yeah. Ugh. All right. How do I want to do this? I need to. I basically need to pass in the handle. Uh. Uh. Oh. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. I also have to. I also have to format the message differently because I can't. If I have to start with the handle. The handle has to be the first thing in this message. Otherwise, it's not an @ reply, and and everyone would see it, or like too many people would see it. Um, so, uh, so yeah, handle, and then I have to. All right, hold on. Right, because hmm. I use handle as I typically use handle as an indicator of whether the this information had come through Twitch channels or oh shoot, does it what the heck is wrong with the ogre event that it doesn't show the quest text for it? What the heck? It's kind of funny in a way because it just randomly comes up with the with with those action tags. But like seriously, what the heck is wrong with that file? It did that earlier, and now it's doing it again. All right, sorry, just brief diversion. Event data. As far as I can tell, there's nothing wrong with the text. Well, I accidentally named the file org cave instead of ogre cave, but other than that, as far as I can tell, is it just too long? Is it just that this text is too long? It's not that long. Oh, I have a lot of typos in it. Other than that, though, I have no freaking clue. I have no freaking clue. I'm just gonna retype it into a new text into a new text file because I have no freaking clue. 0, 0. You stumble into a cave full of ogres. They approach, yelling and gesturing wildly, but you do not speak their, they approach yelling and gesturing wildly. You do not speak their language, but word wrap. You do not speak their language, but you can decipher, but you decipher a couple key words. Grubach and Zer. Will you try to communicate or stay very still? Actually, or hope they don't notice you. Question mark. Oops. Oh, I'll say that later. Sorry, just 1 second. Notice you. Hope is a fake option. And then after a brief moment of did it print anything when the text failed to no, I have no clue why that text isn't showing up. Just that, as far as I can tell, it's just that one piece of text too. Like, I've never seen that happen before. Alright, whatever. After a brief moment of quiet, grunting, and furrowed brows, the ogres run to a massive stone totem. To their massive stone totem. They kneel and chant Grubach as you slink away quietly. The ogres erupt in ferocious roaring, and chest beating, turning their attention away from you long enough for you to escape. Enough, spelled correctly. long enough for you to escape. Save that as C projects journey events default ogre cave. What is wrong with that file that it just didn't work before? I have no clue. I have no clue. Just work correctly, please. I'm gonna bring the script down so I can bring it back up. Nah, whatever, we'll find out. We'll figure it out eventually. Alright. Alright, so what was I doing here? Oh yeah, so handle is usually how I distinguish whether what was the source of this whatever. So I'll just be very explicit and say where it came from. So like source, and so yeah, so link accounts. Oh no, you know what I could do? I'm a silly person. Hold on, wait. Undo. Or I can just get rid of all this. You know. Oh, I was gonna say I could just no, yeah, no. I'll do it. I'll just be very explicit. Whatever. All right. Uh. So the yeah, so the places where I'm linking account, the places where I am calling link account, which is here. This is where I'm calling it through Twitter. So I'll just pass in the phrase Twitter or the word Twitter, and then in the other case, I'll pass in note handle, or no, I do have to pass in the handle still, and I am using PyCharm now. What happened? Well, first I encountered an error that I thought might have been just an error with Spider, which is why I tried PyCharm. But it turns out it wasn't just an error with Spider; it was an error here too. I've stuck with it because it has these lines that indicate how far things are indented. It also has a lot of other like things that are like maybe possibly quite annoying, and I might not stick with it, but I don't know. It's been something that I've been meaning to give a shot for a while anyway, so why not, right? Alright, so oh wait, actually I don't have to change this. I can just oh no, I do, because I need to pass in handle too, right? So this actually isn't a blank string. This is a Twitter handle. Yes, save that. Yeah, and then so back at the top, I don't actually need this anymore, right? Because there's actually only one link account thing that they both use. So link account, right? It's just called link account. So let's fix that here too, because this is referencing the old one. All right, good. And then oh yeah, right. And so I have to pass in. All right, I am passing in the handle. Oh yeah, right. So I won't lower case of this because. Oh yeah. I won't lowercase this here, but I do have to lowercase it in the other. Excuse me, in the other scenario. What am I doing for casing here? Twitter handle. Twitter handle equals, yeah. So in this case, it's just what the user types their Twitter handle to be. Oh. And we're not really screening that for case sensitivity, are we? Oh, right, because we don't actually save it. Right. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Oh, ooh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. um, Wait. So what do we save this as? If the what if the what is the there's no wait a second. There's no else case to wait. Why is there no else case here? I feel like there should be an else case here. Because what happens if oh yeah, no, the in progress thing. Right. What do we save here? If it's if the if the link the Twitter handle thing doesn't exist, what do we save? Just the Twitter handle? I guess we'd have to. Yeah. No, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and we always save the Twitter handle if it's not a successful. Right. Uh all right, yeah. Yes. Good. All right, so that's in order. So yeah, it's this. So I guess we might not get the case sensitivity correct in this situation, but we'd only get it wrong if the user gets their own case sensitivity wrong. And if they get their own case sensitivity wrong, then whatever, that's their problem. All right, so now the part where we were checking for handle, the place where we were checking the value of handle, we're gonna say oh yeah. So if when are not in player dictionary, if source equals Twitter equals Twitter, then we'll pass in the source and the handle. Else add player winner. No reference to Twitter. No handle. And now, yes, now we can use the handle. So handle, comma, congratulations. Or congratulations. Your accounts are successfully you are linked no, not congratulations, like success you your Twitch account your Twitch account and then I should say the name of the Twitch account, which is what? Oh yeah. Oh, and this isn't gonna have the correct capitalization either. So maybe I won't even say the name of the Twitch account. Oh, actually, yeah. So success. Your account is now. Your accounts are now linked. Now linked to unlink. Should I give unlink instructions? Nah, maybe not. Your accounts are now linked. And then there's one other thing, and actually I guess what... Hey, PerkTech, how's it going? Welcome. Were you the one who asked about PyCharm yesterday? Because I hadn't forgotten. And whenever, if I'm remembering correctly, I could give a quick once over anytime. Let me know. Sorry. When I say anytime, I don't know if I mean literally anytime, but like most times. So I can find time for it. I didn't yesterday, but I can. Um, all right. So I think this is where I'm gonna pick like a random thing to also say. Uh, yeah, it's just gonna be like uh, I don't know what. It's gonna be just like a random. Yeah, no, I really don't. So like uh, oh yeah, no, I know. I know what I'll say roughly. Uh, it'll be like a happy. It'll be a synonym for happy and a synonym for travels, uh, followed by an exclamation point. Uh, uh, so success, your accounts are now linked, and then they'll end with an exclamation point, and then so happy synonym index random or random dot randint. Uh, I don't know how many I'll have. Random dot randint. I don't know, like 0 through uh, what bot? I don't. But TrustyBot is the only Trusty Bard is the only bot in this channel that I know of. If there are other bots in here, they're pretending to be humans. Um, oh, sorry, Marty. Earlier you had asked if that you commented that I've been doing Twitter stuff for 3 days now. Can I do something else, something awesome? You know what's funny is that I only started working on Twitter stuff like just recently. I like the first half of the day I spent doing completely other things. So sorry you missed that, but yeah, the next thing like I was saying earlier, I'm almost done with Twitter stuff. Like, once I finish this, it's pretty much the last Twitter related thing that I have to do, and it's basically all done. So, yeah, no, I mean, yeah, I've been working on it for a while because I'm actually pleased with how it went overall. Like, I think it got there, it got in shape pretty fast. All right, so I don't know how. Yeah, wait, hold on. I need another test file. Uh, so like Python file rand include. Uh, all right, so for I in range 100, print random dot, oh yeah, import random probably. uh, Import random dot rand int 1 rand int between 0 and 2. I know, I'm pretty sure rand int is the thing where the documents are wrong about. Did I switch editors? Yes. I'm trying out PyCharm just on a whim, because the nice thing about PyCharm is it has these lines that indicate indentation. So yeah. Wait, what's the number 565670? I don't know what that means. All right, so I'm going to, yeah, I think rand int. I can never remember if it's range inclusive or range exclusive on the upper limit. So but I'm pretty sure it's the one where the docs are wrong, or maybe not. But yeah, PyCharm is interesting so far. It has its there's some things that I like about it. There's some things that I still have to figure out. All right, so yeah, so I'm pretty sure if you looked at the docs, randint would say it was range exclusive, but it clearly does include two, because like look at all these twos we got. All right, so so we need randint. So length of happy synonym -1. Uh, uh, yeah, you'd think insert exclusive, and yet and yet um, yeah, I think if you look in the docs, it even says that the insert exclusive, but but here we actually run it, and look, it's printing twos. So yeah, go figure. I remember getting bit by that one before, which is why I remember it as being wrong, and I had to test it instead of looking at the docs. Docs are great when they convey factual information, and then when they can convey like terrible lies, they're they're yeah, you're on your own in that case. All right, so happy synonym, and then let's do the same thing with like journey synonym or whatever, or travel synonym. Copy, paste. All right, so this will be journey synonym. Yes, journey. And it might not strictly be synonyms for journey. It might be some other things too. All right. Either way, oops. Happy. I should make my own language compiler. Maybe someday. Happy synonym. Wait, was it plural? No, it was singular. All right. So happy will include happy. Hold on, I need like a real thesaurus to help inspire me on this one, because so thesaurus.com, happy joyous was the other one that I could have come up with on my own. Happy joyous wonderful good lovely I don't know merry merry travels pleasant pleasant did I do, yeah, wonderful, nice, I guess. Nice travels. I don't know. I did I need more synonyms. Festive. Jubilant. Joyful. No, these are not not what I was thinking of. Oh no. um, Thanks, Marty. These are synonyms for happy. All right. Peaceful, sure. I don't know. Whatever. I don't need very many of these. So happy synonyms. All right. So travels synonyms. Or journey synonyms. synonym. Journey synonym will be, I guess I should do, whatever, I'll just do these lowercase. I don't care. So like travels. Nah, whatever. I should look up synonyms for journey. So journey, adventure, of course. Hike, I guess. Actually, if anything, it'd be like hiking. Some of these combinations are super dumb. Excursion. No, that's expedition. Actually, is better. Expedition. Exploration. Exploring. I don't know. Sometimes I think like ing, like the gerund is just would sound better. It'd sound like less sarcastic. I feel like, I don't know. Questing. What else? Questing. Sojourn. Travel. Oh yeah, I said travels and then I forgot about it. I think, yeah, some of these should probably be plural too. Travels, adventures, wandering. That one seems fine. Wander. No. Trekking. Or, yeah, whatever, trekking is fine. Alright. There we go. That's enough. Just so he doesn't, yeah, I don't know. Whatever. What are you complaining about? Unresolved reference? Unresolved reference your face. Oh, yeah, right. It's supposed to be equals, not... Right. Right. Alright, so then, I guess, I should, wait, is this supposed to be... No, this isn't supposed to be indented like that, I don't think. Yeah, this is just supposed to be, yeah, here. And so, oh, alright, apparently it resolved those references by itself. I never know when I have to specify these references and when it'll resolve itself automatically. So here, I'm gonna set up some fake data so that way I can, make this happen and test it out, see how it works. So what would it be? It'd be players. Oh yeah, so link.txt. Right, so these players are already linked. So I'm just gonna get rid of this, save that, and then and set this link to pending. Pending. # pending. Pardon. Save that. Alright, and then, so now, oh, I do have to restart the script, so, sorry, I'm just gonna restart the script real quick. Excuse me. Alright, yeah, so, real quick, what do you not like about this? Oh, whoops, I forgot to, yeah. Alright, wait, how did it catch that? Why was it evaluating that code path? It's kind of weird. That was the, that was the link account. Oh, I guess it wasn't actually running the script. It was just, it just caught that error before it even tried to run the script. Alright, so now, if in chat I say my Twitter handle is @srsly_bz, then if I look on Twitter, Oops. Typo. Sorry about that. Don't mind me. My Twitter handle. My Twitter handle is at srsly. All right, so link successful. And now let's look on Twitter, see if I got tweeted at. Ah! It totally showed up. Cool. Cool stuff. Success, your accounts are now linked. Merry trekking. From Trusty Bard. Trusty Bard, that is the first robo tweet from Trusty Bard. And only one went through, so I'm not like getting banned from, as far as I can tell, he's not getting banned from Twitter or anything like that. So cool. Cool stuff. So I should probably have something get tweeted when the accounts are unlinked as well. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I was worried about having commands. Like when to link the accounts, you have to tweet and Twitch. Like you have to confirm on both channels so that it, to verify the account. And I was not thrilled at the idea of having a command entered into Twitch chat, but actually I don't mind it, because if people want to link their accounts, they have to share their Twitter handles, and I think that's nice. I think that fosters a sense of community, actually. So I changed my mind. I actually like that feature. That involuntary feature. Oh yeah, I should bring the script down so that I can bring it up again once I wait long enough for the IRC data to repopulate and not be missing and partial. So yeah. So Bambi King. Hey. Yeah, I typoed. Pardon. All right. So for unlinking accounts, let's do basically the same thing, right? So I guess I should probably do the same thing about like the handle, so name handle. Yeah. Name handle source. Oops. Source. All right. So where I reference the handle, I should be so. Right. So. Right. So instead of doing this, I should be saying so. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm checking the okay. I'm so all right. So change this conditional to handle. No. So if source equals Twitch. What is wrong with my W key today? I cannot hit it for some reason. All right. So if source equals Twitch, something or whatever, blah blah blah. Else this and then right here. So yeah, the something whatever blah 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 is add player, just using the name. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then handle is free, and I can use it. Okay, so again, if handle not equal. No, so again, we want to replace this with if, because the handle is never going to be blank anymore. So it's going to be if source equals Twitter is what that's trying to say. Save that. And I think I'm just going to reuse the same synonyms for this message. So yeah, just like doop 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 doop. Just this line again, except I'll change the So like instead this will say done. Your accounts are your accounts have been unlinked. And he'll still say like Merry Sojourn or like yeah, I'm gonna put Sojourn on the list. Wait, how's it spelled? It's Sojourn. Maybe? I don't know. We'll see. Possibly. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, too many quotes. Alright. Did I spell Sojourn right? Oh, it's right on the screen here. Yeah. Yes, I did. Good. Good then. So I should probably test that out too. So how long is this? I'll leave the script down for just a second longer, and then when it comes back up, I'll test that out. Merry trekking, joyous hiking, good exploring, explorating. Wait, what is this? Good exploring. Happy trekking, pleasant hiking, peaceful questing, lovely sojourn. I should probably get rid of lovely because that one's kind of dumb. Why is it? What are you yelling at me about sojourn? Oh, because it's telling me that I'm crossing this imaginary line. Like you're not supposed to like have lines that run off in that, past that. PyCharm is so nitpicky. Oh wait, no, I know what I forgot to do. I forgot to change unlink account to be a single whatever. So yeah, I should. Oh wait, I don't know his no handle. I don't know his no handle. Wait a second. But I have to find out handle in order to... Whoa. Hold on a second. Can I not... I don't know if I can do this the same way, actually, now that I think about it. Because if I... Yeah, because, like, linking requires confirmation, and so... So I know that data has to exist at some point, but... Well, no, I mean, I guess this data does still have to exist. It just doesn't have to be read... It just doesn't have to be as available as it was otherwise. So maybe I should, keep track of, like, I have, I've started keeping track of, I've started keeping track of, oops, what? I've started keeping track of... Where am I? This is the wrong folder. Projects, journey, players, the Twitter dictionary. Like I keep track of a player's Twitter handle versus their like ID number or whatever. And I guess I should start keeping track of the opposite as well. Just because, like in this case, I kind of need to look up the opposite. Yeah, there's not really a way around that, I don't think. So, yeah, I guess, yikes, how should I do this? I mean, I guess for the ones that already exist, I can like add them in manually. Yeah, and so, okay, so right now, when we get a tweet, we write the user ID as such, and so the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to say with open players with open players, Twitter, at, so players at plus Twitter user ID, slash handle.txt w, we will write the user screen name. Yeah. So it's basically like the opposite of what we're doing here. Here we're saving the user IDs by the screen name, and here we're saving the screen name by the user ID. What are you complaining about with all these line endings? I don't care what you think these line endings aren't good about. They're good, and you'll like them. All right, so I should probably reconstitute that data real quick. So right, so like projects, journey, players. Oh no, there's one that is not accounted for. I might just have to nuke the one that's not accounted for. Oh no, there are 6. Okay, good. So this is the one that ends in 362. Binary. I end in 362. New text document handle .txt at. Oh no, actually technically, I'm just saving it as binary. So I should probably save it as at binary, because it usually just for consistency. I should probably keep with that. So at plus that. Is that all set? Oh yeah, so at binary. Save that. Doop doop. So creative is 4488. 4488. New text document. Handle.txt. At creative 69er. Save that. Sorry. RPG Craft 9285. Doop doop. Doop doop doop. 9285. This is my favorite part of my job. The slightly repetitious data entry, processing, handling, blah blah, good stuff, whatever. srsly.bz, I know that one. That's the 608, blah blah blah. I've seen that one way too often. Handle.txt at srsly_bz, save that, close that. Untrusty Bard 1129. New text document, handle.txt. This is at untrusty bard. Save that. And I'll save the screen names in this context. I can save them with the 5724. I can save them with 5724. I can save them with the correct capitalization and stuff. So that way, when I need to use this data, Zero Maverick spells the Twitter handle the same way as the screen name, right? Zero Maverick, yeah, with a 0 is a 0. Okay. Cool. All right, good. All right, so now I can reference that data as needed, and I can even assume the press. What are you complaining about? Line endings, blah blah blah, whatever. Oh, I don't have enough close parentheses. That's what you're complaining about. All right, good. Well, good then. What are you complaining about here? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Um, so yeah, now when I unlink accounts, I can unlink accounts. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I could actually. Whatever. This is fine. This way is fine. I just the thing I did to the other section is no longer necessary because I now that whatever. All right, this is fine. Uh, so unlink accounts, name, handle, source, blah blah blah. All right, so like yeah. So the thing about that is that we don't always know the handle. So like Twitter handle equals Twitter handle equals or equal excuse me equals handle for starters, and then what actually we're gonna do is actually no we'll say like with oh no yeah no so like wait yeah you know what I'm just gonna say if exists uh or if yeah so if os.path.exists um, players slash and then name and then plus and then slash handle.txt, and this will only exist for the Twitter users. Oh no, I shouldn't just go by name. No, I should be good about this. All right, and the handle will always exist. All right, uh, whoa, wait, hold on. Yeah, and only and so the handle file should only exist for one of these. So wait, what? So what's the other name? There's name and who else? There's name and linkdict name. No. Uh, how do I? Oh, maybe I should. Okay, wait, hold on. Link E. Oh yeah, link E. Yeah, link E. Yeah. Uh, wait, what's the case where? Wait, what's the case where link E equals? How could link E ever equal nothing? I think it. I feel like it always has to equal something, right? Oh, yeah, no, it equals nothing when the accounts aren't linked in the first place. Oh, yeah. So actually, I think like all this stuff could be only in the case that link E not equals nothing. Because if link E equals nothing, then like what the heck does the rest of it matter? I won't change it now, but like huh. Well, this should be pretty straightforward in the Twitter case, and in the Twitch case, I think that's huh. I was gonna say in the Twitch case it's fine if the message doesn't even get sent, but I don't know. I'd rather be thorough about it. So Uh, oh, but I guess I do have to put this in a conditional because, yeah, because it's possible that linky. Yeah, no. It's possible that linky doesn't exist. So, uh, yeah. But if linky doesn't exist, that means there wasn't even a link in the first place, right? So, um, let me just quickly double check that. So we check the player who's the so name the player who chose to unlink. We check that player's link data, and that either is linky. No, that should definitely point to link E. Yeah. So if there's no link E, then there was no link. So yeah. Right. So then right. So if excuse me. If name or no, if excuse me. If link E not equals empty string, then we'll say like Twitter handle equals nothing. Yeah, because we have to look up the handle in either case. Uh, Actually, not necessarily. Uh, oh yeah, yeah. Uh, Whatever. Whatever. If Twitter, so actually, I guess only, uh, huh, whatever. Twitter handle equals. We'll look it up anyways to get the wait, how else am I using handle? Oh yeah, if I just do handle.lower, then I can just pass in the correct handle from Twitter when this message comes from Twitter, and I don't have to look it up. So yeah, so the only time I actually have to look this up is so Twitter handle actually equals handle, and then if source if source equals Twitch Twitch then then we can assume the presence of the handle file, I think. I can't think of a reason. Wait, no. Is there a case where the handle file might not exist? No, because like there wouldn't be a link E if there wasn't a handle file. Because every Twitter account should have a handle. Um, maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I just should not tweet when unlinking accounts because like one thing that could happen is oh yeah. Huh. Maybe I should. Because one thing that can happen is like if you link your Twitter, yeah, the handle might be stale data. It's feasible that the handle is stale data. Because if you link your account and then you link your account and then you change your Twitter name and then someone else takes your Twitter name, then if you unlinked your account through Twitch, then Trusty Bard would tweet at excuse me, Trusty Bard would tweet at whoever took your Twitter handle. All right, so yeah, maybe we'll only. All right, so I guess we don't have to save that handle data, but we'll just only do this if the source was Twitter. If you unlink through Twitch, there's just no notification. I guess it's a little weird, but uh, uh, hmm. And all right, so, okay, I'll do this. So if source equals Twitter, that's what we'll check first. If source equals Twitter, uh, if source equals Twitter, yeah, so there's a lot of stuff that I didn't have to change. Whatever. If source equals Twitter, if link e equals nothing, then Trusty Bard will say something, not this, he'll say something different. This is the else case. Else, right, and so in the else case he'll say, done, your accounts have been unlinked, blah, blah, blah. In the other case, though, he'll just say, in the other case, it means that the accounts weren't linked to begin with. So instead he'll just say, your account is not linked. So, yeah. So like the idea there is that like if you unlink through Twitch and you don't get the notification and you're like, did it work? You can get confirmation that it in fact had worked. I don't know. That seems fine. I'm gonna add more synonyms. Just because I don't know. So splendid, delightful, fortuitous, fortuitous, spirited, lively, fantastic, did I remember to put the... Yeah, I did remember to put the handle in here. And, oh, yeah, but wait, hold on. I should... Yeah, I changed the parameters here, so I should fix those up in those other locations. So yeah, so unlink account Twitter is no longer a thing. It's unlink account, and then we pass in this. Oh yeah, so we don't lowercase this because we lowercase it correctly inside already, and we just pass in the source is Twitter. Yes, good, and then one more down here. So now we pass in the name, and this is Twitch, so we don't know the name, and we pass in that this is Twitch. Sure. Yes. Save that. Everything's good now. Stop saying things aren't good. Everything's good. Everything's perfectly good forever. And yet it still says things are not good. What are you saying is not good? Oh. Oh, if linky, yeah. Blah, there we go. How's that? Perfect. Synonyms forever. Oh, what am I making? The game oh, wait, it's not running, is it? Sorry. Yeah, I took it down a while ago, and I forgot to bring it back up. Here, I'll bring it back up right now. The game I'm working on is what's about to... Yeah, this whole situation going on right here. It's a light adventure game that actually plays through the stream. So now that it's back up and running, now that I remembered to power it back on, it's you'll see in the near future actually